guys, my name is Patrick from daytradinghacker.com. I'm here today to give you a little information on day trading strategies for beginners. Okay, trading stocks, stock trading, option trading, whatever you like to do, futures. We do it all. So basically, the first step in when you want to trade stocks is you're going to want to get educated. Okay, but you want to keep it simple. There's a lot of information to learn trading stocks. It's so much that it's hard to retain it all at one time. It takes time for you to learn this. So what you're going to do when you start trading, you're going to have to pick your brokers, obviously, which we'll go over that in the video in a little while. You're going to have to decide how much money you're going to start with, what you're willing to risk, what you're comfortable with. My suggestion always is to start small. Grow slowly, okay? Don't blindly follow anybody and everybody. Learn, make your own decisions. And then the next thing is you have to realize that this is hard. But once you get it, you're going to love it. You're going to be free. You're going to be making money every day. And you're going to replace your job income with trading stocks. I get up every day, come to my computer at 8:30. By 11 o'clock, I'm all done, except for answering questions. Now in this video, I'm going to give you a free code to access my website's live chat and live screen share. You're going to have to watch the video because I'm going to put it in the video in code. I'm not going to say the code. You're going to have to watch the video and write it down, and then you can go to my website, daytradinghacker.com, enter that code, get a free trial, and come check us out and see what you think and start your journey to making some money. All right, let's get into it here. So the first thing we're going to do is talk about brokerage houses. And what I want you to know is if the brokerage is free and they don't charge you any fees, they're making money somewhere. So remember that. Second thing is charting software. We're going to go over that. A lot of places come with their own charting software. I don't use their charting software. I may use their brokerage, but I don't use their charting and data. Okay. So the first thing that we're going to talk about as far as brokerages is if you're a beginner, then I would suggest use Tastyworks. You can open a small account. And remember, I want you to start with a small amount of money, not a large amount of money when you're beginning. In your strategy, you don't want to shoot yourself in the foot by starting with too much money and your emotion can't handle it. And we'll get into that and you'll understand what I'm talking about later. So when you set up for Tastyworks, you can open an account here and we trade options, and you don't need $25,000 to start your account. You can start it with $500, $1,000, and that's how you begin, and then you grow from there. That way you don't hurt yourself too bad when you're trading, right? Or when you're learning. Now, if you're an intermediate trader, you've been trading for a while, you're like, Patrick, I know what time it is, I can trade, I just need a little help getting in the green. So that is who I use, which is Interactive Brokers. Okay, this is Interactive Brokers. They have their own platform. They have their own trading deck, which I really like, and I use it every day. So this is who I like. The fees are good. The execution on your trades is great. This is who most professional traders use, and I use them and like them. So moving forward from here, the next thing we're going to talk about is the charting software that you're going to use. And then I use TC2000, which is this. We'll open this up real quick. And it's going to open up. This is what it looks like. I'll slide this out of the way. This is your charting software. You can zoom in, zoom out. There's all types of stuff on here. This is the charting software I use. It costs me $45 a month, which is good. That's not expensive by no means. Now, if you use Thinkorswim, which is TD Ameritrade, they have their own charting software. Let me log into this real quick. I don't like, because it's free, I feel, and this is a personal opinion, that they manipulate some of the data that is super important to have to make a proper decision or execution of your trade. But I'll go ahead and open this up real quick so you can see what it looks like. One sec. Pull this over. And then this is what Thinkorswim's going to look like. And, you have your charts, monitor, analysis. You have everything here. I don't use them at all. I don't trade with them. I don't use them for nothing. I look at their charts every now and then, different things. But just because they have some stuff that I like, I just don't trust their data, right? So that's what it boils down to for me. Oops, I already opened that. Let me close this. All right, so as we're moving forward in the video, in your strategy for beginners, you have to take day trading seriously like a job, okay? Oh, and in this video, I'm going to give you a free trial code to my website. It's going to be in this video. It's going to be on the screen. You'll see it, so make sure that you watch the whole video because it's going to be in there. It won't be in the beginning. It won't be in the middle. It won't be in the end, but it's going to be in there somewhere. All right, so moving forward, I forgot to talk about what kind of computer you're going to need in the internet connection. You're not going to use a cell phone to trade stocks. You're not risking your money with a cell phone. It's a wireless data connection. You want to have a wired connection if you can help it. If not, a super strong wireless connection to your computer. Now, you're going to need a computer that has an i7 processor. I would suggest a minimum of 8 gigs of RAM. I have 32 gigs of RAM in my computer with an i7. You want a very fast computer. You don't want to have lag time. Every millisecond counts in a trade. So 2 screens, good video card, minimum 2 screens. Now some people have 3, 4, 5, 6 screens. You can't watch all 6 screens at once. I have 3 screens on my desk. That's what I run with. And then I have an extra screen that's for the chat room and things. And once you choose your computer, you get it set up, and that's really all you use that computer for. I wouldn't have a lot of other nonsense on it because you have financial information. So I try to keep that for like your job, because you're trading stocks like your job. Okay, so we got that out of the way, and now moving on. I know that this video is about day trading strategies for beginners. Okay. And the reason that we're going through all this stuff is because you have to have the proper setup to even begin to trade stocks and be ready. I have the market live so you can see it moving. You know, when I say that you have to treat it like a job, you have to have a quiet place to trade. You don't want your kids bothering, your dog bothering you. You need to put your phone next to you, but you don't want to be on it. You're not scrolling social media while you're trying to trade stocks and paying attention in the morning. So basically, you're going to come in, sit down at 8:30 in the morning, log on to my chat room. You're going to see my live screen share. You're going to see the screen you're looking at right now. And I'm going to give you the levels. And, we could call them out and say, we're going to go short here, okay? And then we're going to put in your level. I'll make it red to know I'm going short so I don't confuse myself. And then you're going to give yourself some risk. It's not hard. I keep it very simple when I teach people to trade. So the strategy overall is keep it simple, okay? So as we're keeping it simple, as you see on the screen here, we only have Amazon, Apple, SPY, the Qs, and then in our basket of stocks, we're going to have Tesla, Disney, Boeing, Facebook, Baba, Google, Microsoft. You don't see any penny stock tickers here, do you? We don't trade penny stocks. Penny stocks are for fools or people that think they're learning. And they go to these chat rooms and it's pump and dumps and it's a big scheme. Don't get yourself caught up in that mess. We trade proper stocks, proper setups, proper levels. We take our trades, we make our profit, and we move on. First thing, nobody knows which way the stock market's going to go. You don't know if it's going to go up. You don't know if it's going to go down. And when you get in a trade and you get profit, you take profit along the way no matter what. If you took profit on this trade here and you entered here at the top of these 2 candles, you said, this was my spot, I'm going to go short. Well, you're going to take profit coming in here, right? Anywhere in here. Let me go back to SPY. So we're going to take profit on these pushes here. You're going to take profit there. You're going to take profit here. Now, it may come all the way down here, but that doesn't matter. We're taking profit along the way. Okay, that's the thing that a lot of people don't teach you. They'll try to teach you that you can just, take it here and ride it all day. Well, if you back the chart up, this is the daily chart on the left over here, and this is the intraday. You look at the chart, of course, yep, it started up, and then you took it short up here. Now it can bounce down here, come this way, or it can go out and break out again. It just depends on the day, okay? As you can see, up, down, that's what it does every day, okay? And then I have, I think, 8 or 10 training videos on my website that goes over this stuff in detail. Like I said, this is a beginner's video, so I'm not going to go into a lot of detail. I have already put the free trial code to the website so you can get into the live chat and the stream. And then I give you 4 to 6 plays every day with proper levels that you can execute trades, take money, bank profit, and move forward. The biggest thing that I can teach you as a beginner is don't take a position too large that your emotion can't handle. Emotion's fine. You're like, what's emotion? Why would emotion bother me? When you're losing your money, believe me, emotion bothers you. That's what I'm talking about. Trading stocks is 90% emotion, 10% technical, okay? Emotion will make you lose your money. You understand that? Emotion will make you lose your money every single time. If you freak out, you're going to lose. It's that simple. You have to stay in control, okay? You have proper setups. Let's say this was a setup. You're going to take it short here, and you're going to give it a little wiggle, right? Whatever your risk is in your wiggle, that's what you're going to take. And if it breaks out, you close the trade and take the little bit of a loss. I'm a 90-10 trader, 90% win, 10% loss. I have green months, not green days. I'll go green for months at a time. And that's what I'm going to teach you to do. Ultimately, I want you to be able to trade stocks, make money, and not have to rely on me to help you. That's why I teach you, and you move on. I built the website that I have, Day Trading Hacker, for my buddies, obviously. And then I had other people want to see it, so I just, kind of opened it up to the public. That's why there's a free trial. And you can come in and check it out. It doesn't cost you anything, and you can see my plays are accurate and they work. And you learn how to make the plays yourself. You won't need me after a while. And I'm more of a, keep you calm and comfortable, because if I'm doing it, you're doing it, and everybody's winning, everybody's happy, right? So guys, this is the end of my day trading strategies for beginners video, and I'm glad you guys stopped by. I hope that you guys are ready to trade stocks and make money, and I look forward to seeing you in the chat room at 8:30 in the morning. Thanks, guys.